how to add a blade to your Stanley FATMAX utility knife. So first things first, let's open it up like that, and then you want to press this down here and then slide it forward right to the front. So see that, right to the end. Then you want to get your blade and you want to insert it into the slot. Now it won't go any further than that. So what we need to press is this red button here. It is a little fiddly, but see it slap in then, and then it's securely in, and then you'll be able to retract it like that or expose your knife like that. So that's how to insert a blade into your Stanley FATMAX utility knife. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.